we built a platform called a Pathwise, which is a unified AI ecosystem from university discovery to education work disbursement. So the core problem was that for the single work, student have to use multiple apps. Means for the college research, for the admission process, for the fee tracking, for the loan tracking, they have to use multiple platforms. So we built an platform which do all this work in one website only. So we built an product called Pathwise, which is an AI ecosystem from university discovery to education loan disbursement. So the problem in India, if someone is planning to move foreign for their educations, or in India only they are trying to get admission in college, they have to go through n number of apps for their college fee structures, for their admission process, for their loan process, for their scholarship process. And also university does not have any platform that can track the number of admissions and the number of inquiries done for admission. So we built an platform called Pathwise, which solve all this kind of problem. So an Indian student navigate seven fragmented touchpoints with an AI, with no AI continuity, no single trusted platform. For university research, they have to use Shiksha, Yocket, or Reddit Trends. And for the test prep and scores, they have to use Mongoose, Greek Prepreps, and SOKF. And for LR writing, they have to use a ChatGPT and other LLM model. For visa documentations, they have to go to immigration agent. And for education financing, they have to go physically to the bank branches. So instead of that, all manual work, we did all the staff autonomous, no human interaction, direct AI will assist you to go and solve your problem. So the feature that we are providing, that the first main feature is a signature feature, passcode. An AI profile intelligence composes 0 to 100 score and combining admin probability plus post-degree ROI plus loan to income ratio, profile completeness, gamify engagement. So there will be high student engagement also because of the gamify engagements. And on the other hand, we will do some kind of work to increase the chances of the student to get their loans. And also we will providing AI career navigator, and for SOP and LOR drafting tool, we are going to provide a personalized drafter tool also, ROI calculator, 24/7 AI mentor chatbot, and all other things. So the technical stack that we have used to build this platform are for the front end we have used Next.js, Tailwind CSS, Webflow for marketing pages, and for the AI ML part we have used Exhibits for admit probability model, regression models, and predictions, and a LLM models API that we are going to use for SAP Navigator and Formatter also. For backend, we have used Supabase. For the database, we have used Supabase and also going to use Postgre. And for authentication, currently we are using the Supabase, but we are planning to move toward the Firebase Auth. And for automations and growth, we are using a custom built Anaton agent, and also content for AI generated block by CNS, and email automation and all other things. So in this, the basic request flow will be somewhat like that. Student have to fill their informations, and according to their information, our AI will personalize the dashboard for student, and we will keep pop notification about the suggestion if there is any news coming out for their stream or their interest. Then we will suggest them, and also other things that we promise to provide are like the loan application tracking, their admission process tracking, their internship plus the scholarship suggestion we will give according to the data. And this is a system architecture, but instead of going through theory, let's see how our app is working, so it will be more clear to you. So this is our landing page, minimal style, home feature for student qualifications, for contact and signing as well. Smart and simple education financing. So let's try to log in using a student. So previously I created my account, so let's try to log in with that. So let's try to log in with the detail that I've used. So as we can see, this is a student dashboard, and also it is select the data that I have used. Because of that, all this value are 0. Let's see some of colleges. Let's try to go with. So let's see colleges that currently we are providing. So let's see what we are below. So the rating is 4.6, placement rate is 92%, average package is 4.2 LPA, and student enrolled, and the course that they are providing: BTech, MTech, BTech, BTech ECE, the campus facility, BCA. happy with the process. So here we have added some of financing agency data that SBI Education Loan, other loans, HDFC, Credila. So according to their need, they can choose any kind of the loan, and they can go for their next procedure. So here there will be history of the fees payment, also the upcoming payments, and EMI schedule, auto debit, upcoming financing, EMI calculator. So this is the dashboard for an Indian student if he want to use our platform. What if some other country student want to use, or if our country's student is going for foreign for their higher study, then also we have implemented feature like this. We have added colleges out of India and the scholarship plan and all other things. Here you can see planning to study abroad. So let's click here. Here you can see universities. In this section, the most of university will be out of India only. United States, Canada, Australia, Germany, Ireland. Also popular destination that Indian students are using. So this MIT, Oxford, UMH, CMU, Macron, or all detail will be over here only. The tuition fee, living cost, the ITS band requirement, key information, scholarship that they are providing. All the information will be present over here, and also the scholarship that Indian government is providing. Let's see here. Here is a list of the scholarship you will get if you apply in this college. So National Overseas Scholarship, ICCR Scholarship, and Prime Minister Scholarship Scheme, PMSS. And let's see institution dashboard. So institution, so this is an university dashboard. Here the university will see the number of admission they are getting from this platform, their inquiries, application, and all and pending, and also student CRM, program, leader partnership, fee management, analytics, all type of service will be provided from us only. And the student CRM, let's see student CRM. So here there will be the whole history of the student, loan status, approved, score, sitting program, their personal information, inquiries done within 24 hours, application, immediate enroll. That's the program detail that the university is providing, kind of BTech, medicals, and all other things. Fee section will be the program. Here there will be the program and fee section, and the fees collections and tracking area also. Lenders will provide the loan to the student, and analytics. So this is the system architecture of it, and the last, the steps. And this is our revenue model. So we have done R&D, and as per our R&D, we have designed this revenue model, and we are building our whole project in the module phases. So we are done with the module 1, which is the MVP launch, and now we are going to the module 2, which is the growth layer. We are going to implement SOP drafting tool, referral loop, AI content engine, and campus ambassador program goes live in this phase only. So we are moving to finish this project as early as possible.